That is perfect. Final stage of cooking. Shut the door completely. Let that heat smother itself out and just build the heat. Oh, there you go. That is not grease, that is pepperoni juice. While it looks burnt, it is not, I promise. Ready? Look at that gorgeous color. There it is. That is a really hot pan. Here we go. Double pepperoni, 3 cheese, in a 100-year-old Griswold. That's some beautiful, look at that. There it is, baby. A sexy big knife for a sexy pizza. Look at that bubble. That's so good. Listen. Oh, yes. Parmigiano Reggiano and a yummy microplane, because you can. It's good. It's good for you. Who cares? It just tastes delicious. You know, it's a proven fact that Parmigiano Reggiano emulsifies with pepperoni juice. Amazing. Insane. There we go, babies. Wood fire. Dude food fire, deep dish, double pepperoni, 3 cheese. That is really hot, man. I swear. That's hot.